there, fellow campers, and welcome to our quick overview of Safari Mall in the Dinokeng Reserve. Now, it's not exactly a mall, but Safari Mall offers all the basic necessities and a little more for your camping needs. Located on the main Dinokeng Road with a large parking area, Safari Mall is easily accessible. However, be aware there are potholes on the road regardless whether you're traveling from the north or the south. Inside the first building to the left, you'll find a restaurant that offers light meals and boasts friendly staff, and we highly recommend trying one of their tasty breakfasts. Next door is a store with basic camping supplies, clothing, hats, and other knickknacks. Their prices are comparable to those of many city grocery stores, and the store itself is well stocked with fresh vegetables, frozen meat, and other essentials such as ice cream. Across from that shop, you'll find a much larger grocery store that's well stocked with just about everything you could possibly need, from household cleaning supplies, pantry staples, cool drinks, and more. The deli serves fresh rotisserie chicken, pies, and sandwiches. Additionally, there's a well-stocked bottle store with reasonable prices similar to those in Joburg or Pretoria. The fuel station provides both grades of petrol and diesel, making it easy to fill up your vehicle before heading out on an adventure. If you need a self-drive permit, there's an office at the front of the property where you can purchase one. However, please note that their card machine may not work during load shedding. In this case, you can easily purchase your permit at one of the gates, which is just a short drive away. We found our cell phones had good reception and had no trouble posting pictures on Instagram and making calls. If you're visiting the Dinokeng Reserve and need to stock up on camping supplies, or you forgot something at home, Safari Mall is an excellent option. You'll likely find what you need at a reasonable price without breaking the bank. Stay safe, be well, and happy camping. Hope to catch you on the road sometime.